Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Biswakarma and my today's topic is unpacking gender from SST, and today I am going to discuss with you on these topics: social aspect of gender inequalities, economic aspect of gender inequality, role of media in gender inequalities. Dear children, today I am going to discuss with you on this topic and I am going to start my today's lesson. Our understanding of gender is often based on the family and society in which we live. It is often related to biological distinction between boys and girls. It leads us to think that role played by men and women are fixed and natural. In fact, these roles differ across communities around the world. This gender inequality is not because of biological differences between a boy and a girl. It is a social issue. Gender is different from these biological differences. It refers to the socially constructed rules, behavior, activities, and attributes that a given society consider appropriate for man and woman. When distinctions is made between males and female and unequal treatment is meted out boys and girls in a different field, this is called gender inequalities. Dear children, our next topic is social aspect of gender inequalities. Social aspect of gender inequalities. Family is the basic unit of gender discrimination. Children learn socially approved ways for interacting as male or female from their families, social and community life. Gender inequality manifests itself even before the birth of a girl because quite often parents want a boy rather than a girl. The entire community feels happy at the birth of male child while the female child is considered as a burden. Boys are allowed to move freely while the girls restricted to remain at home. Financially, they allow always dependent on man. Their hard work never counted as economical productivity. In every sphere of life, women always play a submissive role while the man dominates. In many parts of India, the most inhumane practices, female fostericide and infanticides, are followed, where a girl child is killed at the birth or even the birth. They are regarded as a burden on the family. These differences also been seen in upbringing of girls and boys. Boys are allowed more freedom. They are sent the best schools and colleges are and are allowed to develop their career while the girls are taught household duties and are mostly married off at an early age so that the burden of the family may be reduced. Another evil that is associated with girl is the patriarchal structure. The gender discrimination even extended to school. In many schools, boys and girls are given opportunity to excel in different fields. Boys are encouraged to opt sport, medical science, engineering, while the girls have an option to take home science as special subject. Traditional families prefer to send their girls exclusive school. We found exclusive schools and colleges even in the metropolitan cities. Dear children, our next topic is economic aspect of gender inequalities. Gender inequality prevails of the economic field also, though women constitute a significant part of the workforce in India. They lag behind men in terms of level and qualities of employment. In terms of employment as well as promotion in work and occupation, women often face greater handicap than men. The majority of women workers are employed in rural area. Among them, more than 80% are employed as agriculture laborer and cultivator. In urban areas, most of them are employed in unorganized sector like household work, construction of building, petty trades, services, etc. Everywhere, a woman worker is paid less than a male worker for a same job. Dear children, our next topic is the role of media in gender inequalities. Medias play an important role in our lives. It has great influence us on TV shows, advertisement and commercial plays a big role in conditioning people mind about gender roles. In most of the cases, women are portrayed as a great example of patience and obedience. who are the silently bear all the tortures and hardship when we see commercial for mechanic most of the times and the mechanic is a man, but when we see a commercial about cleaning product for the house, normally a woman is the face we see. Dear children, rest of your topics we will discuss in our next video. Dear children, that is all for today. Bye, take care, have a nice day, see you in the next class.